Hello, this is GoodDigestion with another game of Galaxy. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna just play Anagolay. She's kind of boring, but she's good. Alright, let's go for treasures right away, try and get as much value from her as possible. Okay, that works out. It's interesting that Astrid went for the stats on the Dragonling instead of the attack. I mean, I think that's like a fine strategy. Alright, we get the 2 treasures right away, and one of them helps us, so probably gonna be fine. And sniping a support there is brutal. Full heart to Humph. Okay, let's see if we can find like a daughter of Athena or like a Hercules or something other than common villains. I don't really think we're gonna lose, but I want the Destiny more than the Fortune Teller. The Fortune Teller's great though, but Destiny is like the best unit for most of the rest of the game. Okay, I'm gonna try and lose the fight though. Don't think it's possible, but I'll do my best. Yeah. Alright, now we get the Fortune Teller anyways. That's excellent. I'll play it. Wow, that's so good. Alright, and we already have 2 summons. That's pretty good for Boon of Osiris. And then Snowball will make 3 farewell abilities. Alright, let's do it. Alright, this I'm worried about taking full heart, but maybe we'll be okay. Well, actually looks like we're gonna even win. Alright, well that's fine. So I am honest to God thinking about taking this Achilles instead of the goodie bag. I mean, obviously this card is way better than gold Achilles, but it doesn't have any stats right now, and we don't have a good way of getting stats on it. The Achilles is like a massive amount of stats, right? It's so many. I'm honestly really tempted. Nah. If it doesn't work out, like I'll never be able to live it down, so I'll just take the goodie bag. Hit it with some, like a treasure right there. Yeah. Okay, already feeling like I almost made a giant mistake, and it worked out great. Okay, like these 2 cards are fine, but again, I want to find a quester. This is okay. This is maybe a bit superfluous. It would be good with this stuff up here. Yeah, let's do it. And then we find Hercules, that's nice. Okay, really want the Destiny to proc first. Just in case there's a Mordecon. Ooh, oh, that's cool. Like, it's crazy how good that is. Like, you would never think, well, I mean, in the past you would never be like, oh, I'm really happy to see a Jealous Stepsisters like this late in the game, but I mean, the amount of work it's about to do for us is no joke. Hopefully it gets attacked, though. Okay, good. Wow, we might even lose the fight here. Did we summon... oh, no, we're not gonna lose. I don't really have a good way to get spells. Guess this one is easier, so I'll take it, but I'm not super excited about it. I don't really want to do that. Maybe I do it though. Like, none of these cards I care about. Yeah, and if we had found like some kind of reroll or something, that would have been pretty good. Like a Lost in the Woods, I mean. Alright, Mordicon. Yes, complete. Alright, we full heart Haumf again. Okay. Can we get another summoner? I mean, we are in the position now where we can summon another quester, but I guess I'd be happy to cut this if I could find just really anything. Oh, there's the Mockingbird. Do I take it over the crystal? I honestly think I do. Like, I just want to get stats on this young Herc. And we got the crystal anyways. That was definitely like part of what I was thinking about. Yes! Alright, we get all of our dreams. Drop near. These all hunt because of... We do have the bounty contract. Okay, so I just take this. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the front because... well, I guess it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna have the boon, or the bows in time for it to affect it. Okay, drop near coming in clutch for this. Alright, well now it doesn't matter, so I'll put it back. Alright, let's get some stats on this Anubis. There's also just the mop though too, right? I like the Anubis more than the mop. So let's just bank it for now. Because the one thing I like about the Anubis here though is that it just lets me resummon the Destiny so I can get more questers going. Oh, oops. Didn't move him. That's too bad. Yeah, I should probably play this Conan. I'd kind of like to get the Goldilocks in there too. Like, Goldilocks would be able to put the sword stats on the Anubis slot. I really think it's actually probably worth it. I don't really have a good cut though, is the issue. Yeah, I'll leave it for now. There's the chance. I'll just do this. Oh, actually, no. I'm gonna Midas Touch here. That's better. We've got Astra just on Anubis Scam, huh? Okay, this will be kind of interesting. Can we get stats on the goodie bag? We can, but then we're kind of like losing the value of this Anubis. That being said though, Anubis will probably be like almost second in line. I can kind of like move stuff around to make sure that it's the smallest after the goodie bag. I am kind of tempted to just like put the mop in and like abandon the Anubis. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. There's Gwen. I'll just bank it. Still really want to summon it from the Destiny. Alright, we find the Starlight. That's great. Are these all types? No, we don't have most of the Fey treasures yet. Or the Fey treasures, the spell treasures. Man, sneaky fox. It'll be nice to at least finally get to use our Anubis, though. Take that. Alright. Yeah, that was a good game with Anagolay. We were just getting treasures right away. Like, recently, so my original impression of Anagolay was that it usually gives you 2 treasures. But in the last, like, week, I've had a lot of games where I'm seeing mostly 1 treasures per shop, and it's been, like, really bad. Like, I've just lost terribly with Anagolay, but I don't know, this game definitely didn't seem like that. Alright, well, anyways, thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.